we are not biased against anybody. Not that I know of. Having been president, I can say with certainty that we never had any bias or prejudice against our fellow men in this planet. So, itong problema dito, it says that kung tinanggap na natin sila dito, Pastor, maybe in due time, in our consideration, or maybe changes in the political or social dito sa worldwide, hindi natin sila pwedeng ibalik doon. Pag pinapasok nila sa atin dito, we are now prohibited from returning them to the country of origin.